Wagcina uyaqhubeka ke nokuthi ke uNomalanga akatshele abakadlamini indaba zokuthi ke ukhulelwe okungasilona ke iqiniso kanti ke uDeliwe guys uyaqhubeka ke nokusenga imali kuKwenzo egameni lika Sibongile. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile, and the Dlamini is from the 15th to the 17th of April 2024 on Monday. Wunjengaye's plan to make Vusi look bad work. Babu Ntombela reveals to Vuma what he saw, and Gcina pushes Nomalanga to tell Phetheni the good news. Deliwe keeps milking Kwenzo out of money on Tuesday. The news of Nomalanga gets to Kwenzo via a hostile messenger. So Kabase, meanwhile, Sibongile confesses her love for Kwenzo to someone closer to her. The Mbambo family is forced to help Kuzwayo on Wednesday. Unaware of Nomfundo's secret, Phetheni confides in Nomfundo about his suspicions regarding Njengaye. Vuma arrives with Mandulo, who lays down the law and makes shocking announcement that would rock Sibongile and Deliwe's world. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.